Today we are discussing about our class 10th quadratic equations. What is the quadratic equations? We are discussing about this and finding the roots of quadratic equations. How we can find? First is the quadratic topic is quadratic equations in the class 10. What is a quadratic equation in the form of quadratic is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. A quadratic equations their higher degree is 2 is called quadratic equation. Not more than not no less than of degree. So we can write in the form of quadratic equations. Equation of the form where a is not equal to 0. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन में क्या होगी a की जो वैल्यू होगी वो 0 के इक्वल ही होगी, वो इसके फॉर्म में होता है. इस इज कॉल्ड क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. Equations of the form of x square plus bx plus is equal to 0 that is not equal to 0 is called quadratic equations. The quadratic equations have a higher degree is 2, no more than and no less than no more than no less than 2. एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस की पावर जो होगी जो मोर देन उसकी पावर डिग्री जो होगी वो 2 से 2 होगी और 9 से ज्यादा मोर देन होगी और 9 लेस देन होगी. So we can write the form of, and if you take any equations are there, example 2x square 4x plus c equal to 0. 2x square plus 4x plus c is equal to 0. We take because their higher degree is 2, so it is called quadratic equations. But we take it x square upon x square equal to 3. So it is not a quadratic equations. But how we can write now? We simplify for these equations. So x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x square is equal to 3. We can write now x to the power 4 plus 1 is equal to 3x square. Then x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 1 equal to 0. So an equation their higher degree is only 2, not more than, not less than. But they have a power is of 4 and 2 is also there in a variable form. So it is not a quadratic equations. Next chapter. Finding the roots of quadratic equations. A quadratic equation quadratic equations have only 2 roots. Quadratic equations have only 2 roots. Quadratic equations के only 2 roots होते हैं. For example, take and we can solve also the two methods are there. Suppose x square 0. First find solve the method of split factorization method here. X square plus 2x plus 2x plus 4. The splitting method, that means split the middle term and find the value of this. First x square multiplied by the last number plus is there. X 4x is equal to x square 4x square and multiply this middle term splitted this form. Adding and subtracting these terms, we get this, but multiplications and additions in there this. For example, there we take 2x plus 2x equal to 4x. Same terms. We subtract and add this splitting terms. We get the same value of this, but we are multiplying this splitting form. We get 2x into 2x equal to 4x square. So this is the both are same. So it is a right splitting. So we are taking the commons x into x plus 2. Then similarly common x plus 2. We put the value of 2 because we are having 2. So we multiply by 2. 2x equal to 2x plus 2 to the 4. So common of this terms only x plus 2 and then x plus 2 equal to 0. So the value of x plus 2 is equal to 0, then x equal to minus 2, and also x plus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 2. So a quadratic equations have their there have only two roots. Next up finding the roots. How we can find the roots of quadratic equations. Finding the root of quadratic equations. How can we find the roots of quadratic equations? We already know that quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. How we find the root of these equations? Firstly we are divide both sides by a. We get we have a is cancelled, so x square plus b upon a x plus c upon a is equal to 0. Then after that convert this equation in the whole square of a plus b. Yeah. How we can convert the whole square of a plus b? We know that a plus b. Whole square of a plus b is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is the, we can write now a square plus 2. A is x and b is b upon a. But there are no 2, so we are divided by 2. And also adding the same term, because a square plus 2ab. This term is the a and this term is the b. But there are no in this term. There are no terms in this b upon 2a. So we are taking b upon 2a square of all squares and taking both sides positive and addition, because b upon 2a adding and subtracting the both terms b upon 2a whole square of b upon 2a minus b whole square of b minus 2a. So get the same value, because 2 taking a 2 plus 2 minus 2 equal to 0. This means same things. It is a 0. So and the remaining part is there c upon a. So we are right c upon a is equal to 0. Then this is the formula of a whole square of a plus b. This term is the formula of converted into the formula of whole square of a plus b. So we can write these equations are there x plus b upon 2a whole square and the remaining part is there b upon 2a all square plus c upon a equal to 0. Next part x plus b upon 2a is equal to when shifted the left side in the term is a negative, they are going to the right side, then sign is converted to the plus, so positive. Then this is the minus b, minus sign is there, so it is converted into b upon 2a plus all square, and then this is the c upon a, the plus sign in the left side, we are taking the right side putting this value, it is converted upon c upon a, the minus, sign is changed, plus sign is left side is minus, then and taking the sign is right side, it is converted into the plus. So if given the sign is minus, right side going to this to convert to the plus. So minus is plus is minus. So sorry, this we are solving this equations are there. X plus b upon 2a all square, b square upon 4a square and c upon a. Solving these equations are there. B square minus 4ac. Taking LCM box, we get 4a square. One a is common, so remaining part is there 4a and c is given, so we can write 4ac. Then next part is there. We are writing which equations are x plus b upon 2a all square equal to b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. 4a square. Taking a square root on both sides. Taking a square root on both sides, we take. So a square and a square root. The squares are cancelled by a square root. Given solving this equation, I will get x plus b upon 2a is equal to b square minus 4ac and upon 2a, because n numbers are part of the root when these are their form of the pair. We can write this form 4a square is equal to, we are writing 2 into 2 and a into a, because 2 multiplied by 2 into 2 is equal to 4 and a into a is power 2. So their value is 4 is 1 part of the root is 2 and a part of the root is only a. So we are writing this form b square minus b square minus 4ac, and solving these equations x is equal to, this is the value of plus b upon 2a, it is converted going to the right side, taking the right side, it is converted into the b upon minus b upon 2a, and then this is the value of plus minus, and this is the value of plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Taking LCM, because both denominator is the same, so minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this is the formula of finding the root of quadratic equations. Any equations are finding this formula. This also we take the we can write the first roots. First root is take. The first root is let alpha. Therefore, we can write it in the form of alpha is equal to plus value, any positive value, minus b. This sign is minus or plus minus, so we take a plus b square minus 4ac root under upon 2a, and the second root let beta. Their value is beta is equal to minus b, and the first time is taken the plus, first next is the minus. So the sign is upon 2a. So this is the solution of the quadratic. This is the root of the quadratic equations. It is also, this formula is also known as the Caesar rule या formula. Caesar rule या formula. Then next we are finding the discriminant of the quadratic equations. Next topic is the discriminant of quadratic equations, and how we find discriminant of quadratic equations. What is the discriminant of quadratic equations? Discriminant of quadratic equations discriminant of quadratic equation in discriminant quadratic equation in the form of d is equal to b square minus 4ac. D is equal to, d is also known as, it is indicated, discriminant is also discriminant, it is indicated by D, capital D. So discriminant of quadratic equations d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So case finding the nature of root. Finding the nature of root. Finding the nature of roots. First, if d is greater than equal to 0. If finding the nature of root, this is the three case. This equation has the three case. First is the if d is greater than equal to d is greater than 0. We take equations and then here it is the how is the d is greater than equal to 0. So first we take equations here given there. First equations are there, x square plus 6x plus 6 now equal to 0. So we take a is 1 and b is equal to 6 and c is equal to also 6. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So b, value of b is equal to 6. So putting this value of these equations are, we get a is equal to 1 and c is 6. 6 is 36, then 6 4 24. So we subtract this, we get 12. So 12 is therefore, so 12 is greater than d. So 12 is greater than 12 is greater than 0. It is also, we can write in the form of 12 is greater than 0. So the nature of the roots are nature of roots is real and equal. Real and unequal. When we are solving these equations, then we get roots of these equations are real and unequal. Next case is second. Second case is if d is equal to 0. If discriminant is equal to 0, so d is equal to b square minus 4ac. The equations start, we take the equation start. Second, 3x square 4 root under 2x plus 4 equal to 0. So a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus, because their sign is negative, so we take a sign is also negative, 4 root under 2, and c is equal to 4. So the value of putting this value of the equations, this we get b is equal to minus 4 root under 2 square this, and minus 4, value of a is equal to 3, and c is equal to 4. Solve these equations are there, because minus 4 4 the 16 to 32, 32, and then 4 the 16. This is the value of root under 3. This is the value of taking the root under 3, then equations are 0. We taking their value is 3, so the answer is 48. We take these equations are 4 root under 3, because 4 the 16 is 48. So we are writing the 48, because 4 root under 3 squaring in these equations are right in these equations. Root under 3 in 2 times minus 4 into root under 3. So minus plus 16, and 2 roots are there. So it is when 2 roots are there and their value is 2 times. 2 times if any numbers in the root under, then it is a single number we are right in this equation. So 16 is 48. So 48 are there. 4 4 is 16, or 3 is 848. So the value of 48 subtracted by 48 is equal to given value as 0. So d is equal to 0. The nature of roots are nature of roots is real and equal. Real and equal. And third is the imaginary. There have no third is the case third. Case third is if d is less than equal to 0, that means less than 0, it is their roots. No, there have no roots. There have no roots. Yeah, it is also called the imaginary numbers are there. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Put these equations. Here a is equal to 2. Take a is equal to 2. B is equal to minus 6, and c is equal to 3. Put this value on the equations. We get 6. All square of 6 minus 6. 4 into a. A is 2 and c is 3. 6 is 36 minus 46. B square 36. So this we take the model value. We take next model value. Then if we take na model value, because the sign is the value of given is the negative na. So we take 5. We take put in the equations as value 5, because their value in a negative form. So it is its roots are not, there are no real roots. So 4 into 2 is equal to multiplied by 5. 5 is 10, 4 is 40. Their value is minus 4. So d is less than d is 4 is less than 12 greater than. So minus 4 is less than d. So minus 4 is less than d. Hence these equations have no roots. No roots, yeah, imaginary. No roots, yeah, imaginary roots. So these methods are we are solving the quadratic equations and finding the roots and the nature of equations. So thank you.